Hey Max Impactors, I can't believe it. It's the time of the year where we start our gardening. One of the first things I usually start in my garden is my sweet potato slips. So here's some sweet potatoes that I had from last year. And all you do is you take a toothpick, okay, and we're going to put 3 toothpicks in it. 1, 2, and 3. And then you just put it into the water, and then we're going to fill that up to the top. Now this year I'm taking a little bit of a chance. I have some of these really small ones, and I want to see how well these produce slips. So I have one of them, and I'm just going to put this one in. Now since this one's small, I'm going to go way towards the top, and I'm going to put it in my water. Last year I had a bunker year for sweet potatoes. I got 35 pounds, and I'm hoping to get that or more this year. It seems like every year I get a little better at it. And also the great thing about doing the sweet potato slips is it's not only fun. I take these and I put them in my windowsill, but it's also great because I haven't had to buy any sweet potato slips for 3 years now. 4 years. We're going on our 4th year. One mistake I think I made last year is I put these under some grow lights, and it was in a little cooler area in our house, and the slips were really late coming up. So I believe, and then as soon as I put them into a windowsill with a lot of light, they really sprouted up quick after that. So I think that's one thing that I'm going to make sure I do this year is get them in the windowsill right away with a lot of light, because that seems like that's part of what makes them really sprout up. Alright guys, well that's my sweet potato slips. I'll give you some updates on them during the summer and into the fall. Alright, if you like this video, subscribe. Okay, if you also you can comment and like below, and we'll see you in the next video.